Click and drag to select range A3 through F9. To use the transpose function, you first need to select the destination range, which needs to be the opposite number of rows and columns as the data range you are transposing. Type =transpose, open parenthesis, H3 through N8, close parenthesis, in cell A3. You enter the transpose function in the first cell of the destination range, then enter the source range as the array argument. Press Ctrl-Shift-Enter. Excel adds brackets around the formula and copies the formula and the corresponding transposed value into each cell of the destination range. If you just press Enter after typing the formula, Excel will display an error message.